Hi everyone, my name is Kaylin Craven and I'm an instructor for the CSPB3022 Data Science course. I'm here today with Professor Mary Beth Oskimo. She is the course creator and the voice behind the videos, and she's here today to tell us a little bit about the class.
Thanks, Kaylin.
So, can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to be learning in this class?
Yes, so we basically designed this course inspired from what I learned at the National Workshop on Data Science Education. And that workshop really emphasized this combination between computational expertise, inferential thinking, and then real-world applications. And so those three main themes really drove how we designed this course. I divided it up into segments. So the first segment really is a crash course in a Python library called Pandas, which is very commonly used in the data science world. And once you have some of that familiarity with the computing tools, we then move into how do you start to explore data? How do you start to visualize data? And then there's a whole middle part of the course that actually gives a lot of probability and statistical background that's going to be needed for the future modeling part of the course. So there's a middle part, and we start to do some statistical inference. And then the end of the course is Intro to Machine Learning, where we start to build some models using what we've been building up all semester.
It sounds like there's a lot of opportunity for some real-world applications.
That was really the goal, and we tried to bring in not only examples, but also in the assignments and in the project, there are some actual real-world data sets that you're working with.
That's exciting. So how does this class fit into the bigger picture of studying data science?
Great question. So this is just an introduction class. That's why it's called Introduction to Data Science. And really it's trying to lay the foundations not only for the computing tools, but also the probability and statistics that you need if you want to continue on in this field. And whether or not it's data science or it's related fields of machine learning or AI, we're really giving you the foundation in this course for what you would need if you wanted to go on into machine learning or AI after this.
That's awesome. So do you have, as the course creator, do you have any advice or tips for someone taking this class, how to approach this class and do as well as you can in it?
Great question. So I think a lot of this is going to be self-driven in terms of how much students want to dive into the concepts and really understand them. I have created it such that I've given you lots of resources where you can dive deeper. There are assigned readings. We don't have a single textbook. I've actually grabbed open source textbooks online from a variety of different sources as we get to different topics. So I really want students to know that I'm trying to pick the most relevant readings for them to do beforehand. But yeah, definitely by doing the readings, watching the videos, and most of it's going to be the hands-on practice they do themselves in the Jupyter notebooks. So the way I have set them up in the videos is there's Jupyter notebooks for a lot of the lessons, and I walk you through them, but really I encourage you throughout the videos to pause, play around, and try it on your own, because you don't learn this stuff by watching me. You really learn it by getting in there and getting your hands dirty. So I'd say definitely doing the readings, the videos, playing around on your own, and then really just letting your own passion and interest drive what else you would want to look into. There are some optional, I call them like the appendix of some slides, where if I don't go into full details on some topics, I do leave you some opportunity to dive deeper on those topics yourself. So I'm hopeful that this course sets you up for an exciting career in data science, if that's the way you want to go. And if not, at least it gives you a taste of what's part of this field.
Well, and some great work with tools like Pandas, NumPy, things that if you're in a data-driven career are really gonna come up.
That's exactly what we built this course on. And also, so SciPy, which is, no, not SciPy. So scikit-learn, which is the main, we do use SciPy also, but scikit-learn, which is the main library for building machine learning models, is another piece that we introduced. So I definitely want students to feel like they're getting exposed to tools that are commonly being used in practice.
Well, we are very excited to have you in the class this semester. Hopefully it's a great semester, and thank you for being here in this course, and thank you, Professor Oskimo, for introducing the class.
Thanks so much.